guys, it's me, Febby, and I'm so sorry if haggard ako today. Well, I'm so happy. I'm so happy today. And I don't know if nakita niyo yung YouTube spotlight. Finiture ang mukha ko. Finiture yung video ko. Kahit ang ginawa ko lang is maganon. At least, diba, sa karami-raming YouTuber around the world, kinuha nila yung video ko. And I'm so happy. You see this? What?
Hey friends! Something
What?
to talk about. Women should have the same.
Ay, grabe. I'm so happy. So, di ba, maraming, grabe. Kahit yun lang, that makes me feel happy. You know? Grabe. Could contain me happiness. Okay. Last week, may nag-email sa akin. Sabi, taga Portal A, YouTube Spotlight. And sabi nila, gagamitin daw nila yung video ko to use this campaign. Eh, sabi ko naman, okay, sure, ganyan. You can use my video. And akala ko char-char lang. And then, yung nakita ko na, yun na yun eh. Yun na yun. Kahit yun lang. Di ba? Nasali sa karami-rami. Ay, grabe. So, thank you so much, YouTube Spotlight, Portal A, for featuring my video. Kahit yun lang ginawa ko, maganyan lang. Thank you so much. And sana may sa susunod pa. I'm very motivated na gumawa ng mga videos na relatable sa society natin. And, well, I need to apologize to all of you guys na hindi na ako nakagawa ng mga videos. Alam kong maraming nag-aabang sa inyo dyan. And, thank you so much sa lahat ng nakaka-appreciate ng videos ko, na nag-aabang ng bagong videos ko. And, pagpasensya nyo na rin sa mga lahat na nagque-question sa akin dito sa YouTube channel ko. I'll be answering all your questions as soon as matapos na yung school. Matapos na yung pag-school ko ng education. Kasi, grabe, medyo busy yan. Well, I'll be updating my videos pag-uwi ko ng Jansan kasi graduate ako. Gagraduate ako this March. Yan. Gagraduate ako this March. Kasi last October, di ba, graduate na ako, but hindi ko, or wala kaming graduation ceremony. So, this March, my graduation ceremony, kasali ako sa mga Octoberian, kasi Octoberian ako. Ayun. Kasi once in a lifetime lang yung graduation ceremony. Dapat kailangan kong i-attendan yan. I-attend talaga natin yan, mga ganyan. So, hopefully, this year, graduate din ako ng pagiging educator ng DPE ko, which stands for Diploma for Professional Education. So, 2 diplomas, 2 degrees in 1 year. So, hopefully, sana ma-achieve. That's it, guys. I-update ko kayo sa graduation ceremonies, preparations, and everything. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys. God bless, and